Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am doing something exciting. This actually wasn't like a planned unboxing. It just kind of happened that I got the one of the Third and Main Halloween boxes. And then it was like, of course I have to unbox. It would be super weird just to open it and go decorate with it without us playing with it first. So real quick unboxing of a spoiler of the Third and Main Halloween add-on box. If you're new around here, Third and Main is a modern farmhouse and contemporary home decor subscription box. It is set 4 times a year. It is a quarterly subscription with each season. If you want to sign up for that quarterly subscription, I do have all of the information down below. My descriptions are full of information just for you guys. But you also can visit this link right here. It will take you to the full spoiler unboxing of one of the customizations for their box, and you can sign up there. Otherwise, you can just order this box. You do not have to be a member to order the add-on like holiday and seasonal boxes. So this is technically considered a holiday box or a pop-up box that is outside the regular subscription. Right now, they have 4 different Halloween box options. I believe they had 5 or 6, but a couple of them have already sold out. So they range from $64.99 to $93, depending on which box you choose. It is $5 flat rate US shipping, which is so cheap. I'm going to see if I can get a coupon code. I don't know if I have a coupon code that applies to the pop-up boxes because they're already a pretty good deal. But if you subscribe to the regular subscription, I do have a coupon code. You can grab that down below. But if you are already a subscriber of Third and Main, you automatically get 10% off with the code SUBSCRIBERPERK. So if you were on the fence about subscribing to Third and Main, and you like this, maybe go run some numbers and see if it's worth it for you. Their Halloween boxes are a mix. So they have like the traditional spooky Halloween, which I love. But they also have the very cute non-haunted Halloween, which I also love. So they have a box for everyone through this mix. Boxes ship within 3 days of ordering, so you get it really, really fast. I did tell them to just surprise me because of the 4 bundles I saw. I love them all. So I actually have no idea which bundle's in here, and I haven't deep dug into the bundles. I've kind of like just peeked. So I'm very excited to see which one is in here. Once I know which box this is, I will put it in the notes below. So if you want to go order the exact same one, you can. My description below, that URL leads to all the box options. So you can kind of peek around and see if maybe there's 2 or 3 you want to mix and match. Okay, I don't see any giveaways on top. Everything's pretty well hidden. Make sure there's nothing in here. Okay, yeah. I always am so fearful we're going to throw something away. And okay, so I might have gone through on Instagram. They have a great Instagram. And liked the boxes I liked the most. And then I did comment on a few other things because all of the boxes are great. I like spooky Halloween more, not like bloody gory, but like cute spooky and all the things that entail spooky more than cute. A spitter! There is a little spitter in here, which means I think I got the exact box I had hoped I was gonna get. You guys, look at this. He is made of iron, metal, I don't know, and it is a little spider. And it makes my heart so happy. So if y'all have ever been around before, I go a little crazy on Halloween. Whole front yard is haunted, lights flashing, music playing, dry ice and smoke. I don't know if it's because growing up, my parents weren't fans of Halloween. They're not like against it or anything. It just wasn't their holiday. And so we never did anything. And so now, like as an adult, I'm like, I will do all the things. But how does that explain fall and Christmas? I go really insane for fall and Christmas. Like I think I have 6 Christmas trees this year. Jonathan's gonna kill me. He secretly loves it. And he secretly hates it also, I think. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Love him. Her. I don't know. Haven't decided. Another little spitter. These are so cute. So this guy is a little bit smaller. So here they are side by side. He's just a little bit smaller. And the top, I mean, these things are durable. Like you could put these on a patio, dining room table. You could, because of the legs, you could suspend like those really cottony spider webs and hang them in there. They would totally adhere into a web. A wreath, if you had a wreath with like a bunch of orange chrysanthemums that you had built for Thanksgiving, no, fall. If you had an orange chrysanthemum, these legs are so long, you could push it into the wreath at an angle and it would look like the spider's crawling up. These guys literally have unlimited use in the decor realm, which I'm gonna show you guys some more. I'm gonna do a full out over the top Halloween thing that I'll share with you. These are cute. Very different though, let me show you. So it is a traditional black and white and neutral bead. So you see the colors there. It has a loop so you can hang it and a tassel at the end. And you see at the other side, there is a spitter. I call them spitters. It just means spider. And there's a loop there as well. So like literally you could drape it like this. You could see how you could totally lay it. There's a bunch of different things. What I love is it's a spider right there, but there is a snowflake on the other side. So dual use. You really could put this up right at the Halloween-ish time and have it stretch all the way through your winter Christmas time. And if you're tricky, you could put this up with fall and just tuck this around the back. Don't let anybody see this part, so this would be behind a frame or whatever. Decorate with the beads. When it's Halloween time, you flip your spider out, and then when you swap over to winter, you'll do your snowflake. So I do love items that are very universal in use. A few of you have been reaching out saying, what do I do now that I've been subscribing to home decor boxes for a couple of years now, and I have so much stuff? We have a great video coming for that. I say we because I had to have help filming it. It's like a mega crazy vlog, but it's awesome. And we're gonna address how I go through my stuff so that my items remain a blessing and they don't become overwhelming to me. And so items like this, it can be used across multiple holidays, rank up above something that I could only use, well, once. And if it's just Halloween based, that's a little bit harder because it's such a short, like it's just October, right? Like it's usually so short to celebrate. Anyways, I have a video coming for that in September. Still filming it right now because it's a lot, but it's gonna be oh so good. Woo! Love! Okay, another one. So this side says, I'm here for the booze. And the other side says, pumpkin spice and chill. So, this is cute on a coffee bar, wine bar, whiskey bar, any type of bar that you have set up. Also, this matches the wood from a past item that they sent us. So this already has a matching family member. If I can see, I'm looking out, I have a big pile of Halloween stuff out there. I don't see it. It's a dual-sided, I think like maple leaf, and then there's something else Halloween on the back. So you now have a set between that item and this item if you're like an OG subscriber. And then if you watched Deck the Table sent this really long like piece and that, oh no, hold on, here it is, hold on, I see it. This is the piece from Deck the Table, the unboxing. I'm gonna link it up here if you're like, what the heck is Deck the Table? It is a tablescape subscription box that they send you stuff on holidays. This is the third and main item. Look, they match. It's the same edging and same wood. So if you got this is gonna look stinking adorable with this. And man, I wish I had the other piece. I don't, but there is a third piece that matches. So we're already all at once. The camera turned off. Jonathan called my cell phone. That was kind of crazy. I don't remember what I was saying, but there's another item in here, so we're good. We'll just dive into the next item. So, I love. This is a spider web. It is the same like metal that matches the spiders, but the wood base down here is the same base as this, which is the same as this from Deck the Table, which is the same as that other piece we already have from our box last year. So I'm loving that this box is building upon not only their own past boxes, but other items that we subscribers already have. So let me look, because I didn't know exactly which box I was getting, to see which box this is. This is the Get Your Creep On bundle. It is $76 and has 5 items inside. Really, really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate with these. So if you're like, okay, great, thanks, I can see the stuff, but now what do we do with it? You could do a tablescape, like literally a dining room tablescape. You could put it on a sideboard, put it in an entryway like I was telling you. Literally put those two pieces there and put all of these on a wreath if you wanted to. I, of course, am going to put it on my mantle. I love decorating my mantle, that big entry into my living room. So stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see that. And if you're one of those who are like, a little too creepy, not exactly my style, this is one box option. There are 3 other box options. I'm going to pop them up right here. So here are the other 3 that you can consider that are a little more cute, maybe less spooky in your opinion, that you can peek in on if you are looking to add some little touches of Halloween. Basically, a box that isn't so overwhelming with stuff that you're back into the, how do I store this? But enough stuff to be really cute and add a great touch without being too Halloween-y. I don't have as many Halloween home decor boxes, but I do have a couple this year. Plus, I have my ones from past years and then items I have here in the house. So we will be following up shortly with Halloween goodness. It feels a little bit weird to be filming Halloween in September, but if we film it now and release it mid-September, we have just enough time to go buy it and have it for the whole month of October. So there we go. Okay, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this little pop-up unboxing. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. And if you have subscribed, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.